Hello guys, welcome back to another video with the K code. In part 1 we spoke about creating a simple table design. In this part 2 we will speak about creating the table that has the table that comes over with this part here where it hangs over. So without further ado, let's get started. So just for safe measures, when you are 3D printing this or molding this, when you do it, it might be too thick here with the top part as well. So when creating this, we're going to put a hole here first, then create the top part. So let's start and let's create a datum plane first. Okay, let's just rotate this so we can see properly. Alright, so then let's create a sketch and let's just put our hole or rectangle right there, and let's just move it a tad bit to the up thing. There we go. Alright, let's move it a little bit. Yes, alright, right there. So now let's just constrain this to about 600 by 450. Alright, and then just let's lock that, and then wait, before you do that, take that constraint away and let's make a fillet just to make it just to be extra. And then this one, now I showed you how to get this in the previous video as well, I think, but come to constraint auto radius and diameter, and let's use 100. There we go. And now we can try again. There we go. Fully constrained. Close it. Pocket 1000 millimeters. Again, this seems extreme, but just for it to go straight through. Yeah. And there we go. And then take this away, spacebar. And there we are. So I know it looks a bit offset and whatever, but it's fine. We can fix that later or before if you want to. It's your choice, really. Anywho, so now that's there. So I have taken the datum plane away. However, we do want the datum plane already put back, so to make the top part again. So to do that, you're going to come to the top, click on whatever surface is left. So just click off that, create a datum plane. Okay, and then click on it again, create sketch and rectangle. So to do this, you want to find your outline and then just pull it past the outline of your previous shape. So just like that, and then constrain this. If you want to, you can make it a bit more than what the datum plane is, a little bit less, it's your choice. Let's do now let's do 900 by 700, and then let's lock. Oh, before, let's just make fillets as well, get it looking nice and round, I guess. And then again do this and this one. Now you will see it shifts by itself, but it will automatically correct itself if anything is wrong. And then we can constrain that, and that's fine. And then move it if you want to move it just a bit. Slightly. There we go. Okay. And then we'll lock this. Oh no. Okay, so sometimes if you translate the geometries, it will do this and make it not constrained, but it's not necessary, so it's fine. So because we've transformed it. So anyway, continuing, let's just close this, pad it to 20 millimeters and delete your thing right there. So you will see that the distance from there to the end of the table and the distance from there to that leg is different. So there is ways to change it, but because this is just showing you how to do it, you can do it by yourself and just create it and fix that if you want. I will make it a different video on how to make everything straight and how it's supposed to be. Anyway, moving forward, let's fillet everything so that looks more round. Not possible, select the chairs, okay, whatever. Do that, cancel, sorry, do that, fillet 20, come on, not done. So that's just because it's too much, so it's so then because this is not 20 and the radius will be 20 as well, it's not going to be able to do that. So just make it half or something, so like 10, and it will work. So now you already have a better looking deck. So thank you guys for watching, and please like and subscribe and turn your notifications on to get my uploads and more. Thank you.